There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm cutting, I don't have any bigger pipes for the bottom, the cross members. I ran out of metal. So I'm cutting these things where I got the metal from. I don't know where the hell what was used for. But the pipes had these angle bracket attached to it. So I'm going to square off the end. And basically I'm going to cut it, two of them at 34 inches, and I got to cut another pipe in there. I'm going to put another pipe in the middle because this is a heavy piece of equipment going in the middle, and I don't want to stress it out. So, yeah, I'm going to cut some metal here. Oops. I just ripped the earphone. Yep. One of the fun parts about this is the earphone. Now I got to measure this 34 inches twice. I cut off the end because it's all rough and stupid. So yeah, I should be able to get two of them out of this thing. I guess I can wing it. I'll wing it. I will wing it. Let's see. That one. And this one. I like these little Milwaukee pens. They're not bad. Some crazy one over there. Put this on the floor. Ooh. I don't know, this grinding disc, it's kind of weird. It's acting weird. Oh well. That one's done. This goes back in the scrap pile. And we'll turn this off for now. Look at the other grinder. Where is it shining? Right there? Okay. Probably put it down a little because so you can see what the hell I'm doing. I'm going to grind up some of this thing. I'm going to clean this off first. These angle brackets, so I can use them. Like my earpiece is falling out again. I don't feel it in my ear. So anyway, trying to clean up this piece of metal here. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to get it so it isn't as ugly. This one. Keep ripping the earpiece out of my ear. Oh, my phone's going off too. How exciting. Alright. Here we go. my story and I'm sticking to it. I'm gonna weld this in place. No, maybe I should just tack weld it right now. Anyway, I got that. I got the bars done. Maybe I should just do it anyway. Well, I got time. But yeah, I'm putting a piece right in the middle here because there's 300 pounds of shit going on here. And I'm putting 2 little cross braces on the bottom. There's a little shelf. And maybe I'll just insert a wooden shelf in there. I'm not sure. Because fabricating a metal is just a pain in my ass. I mean, yeah, I'd love to do it, but I don't got enough metal to do it with. So, yeah. I'm going to set up the welding rig and I'll get back to this.